So you have just received your FEZ Domino and you can't wait to try it out. Maybe you have a FEZ Mini, not FEZ Domino, but this video will apply as well. The first thing you may want to do is check the version number you have on the board, the firmware version number. So we'll open MF Deploy. This is a tool found in the Microsoft.NET Micro Framework SDK. So we select USB. You have USB Easy here. I can ping the device so I know it's responding. Of course, the device is connected over USB. It's a USB cable here. So ping. Good. Now we go target, device capabilities. And this gives me a list of some info on the device. What I'm interested in is this, the solution version, and this is the firmware version number of USB Easy, or the chipset that's running FEZ. So it's 4.0.2.0. Now I want to verify that this number matches my what's in my release notes. So I'm gonna browse for program files, GHI, the SDK, and open release notes from here. And this is the file, and over here we see the version numbers for all devices. That says USB Easy, which is FEZ Mini and Domino. It's 4.0.2. Perfect. So it matches. If it doesn't match, you need to update the firmware. There's another video on how to update the firmware, and this is also explained in the Getting Started tutorial. So we're good to go here. I'm gonna minimize this. Okay, so this is the board. It's plugged in, and you probably already have everything installed. You have Visual Studio ready to go, and I'm gonna make a new project. I'll select console. FEZ Mini and FEZ Domino don't have display, so it's a console project. So I'll name it maybe test. Okay. And now we have a new project, and in my project I have one file called program.c#. Okay, and this is my program. Let me change this so it's simpler to understand. I'm assuming this is for beginners. So what we want to do here is debug print, let's say FEZ is easy, maybe. Oops. Okay. So now we want to run this on the emulator first, just to see if things work before we try the board. So I'll put a breakpoint here, and I'll run. Okay, this is the emulator. Oops. Okay, and the breakpoint forced the software to stop at, let's see. Try to fit everything on the screen. So this is the emulator. Nothing will show on the screen, of course. It's running this software. I'm gonna do one more step in the code, and this is the output window. So I'm gonna do one more step, and it printed FEZ is easy, which is the string here. Okay, good. I want to try the same thing this time on the board itself, not on the emulator. So I'll right-click here, Properties, and over here you have a new one. When you install the SDK, you'll get a new one for .NET Micro Framework, and transport will be USB. And here you get a list of the devices. I only have a FEZ Domino connected, which is again the USB Easy chipset. Okay, good. Now I'm gonna run again. This time it's not loading the emulator, it's gonna load the software right on the hardware. So it's initializing the FEZ Domino, loaded some assemblies, and it stopped. This code looks here, it's on my PC, but then it's running on the board itself. Now I'll do one more step. Oh, FEZ is easy. So this debug is coming back from FEZ Domino through USB cable to my computer. This is good for debugging. Okay, good. Now let's blink an LED. So to blink an LED, I'm gonna need first I need to add some references. I need the hardware spot. This is from Microsoft. This will let me use output port, input port, SPI, UART, everything is in this assembly. You probably want to add this always to your projects. And I also need the pin names, and the pin names are available in FEZ Domino in this assembly. Okay, good. Now we have the assemblies we need. Now, in my code, this is, if you know C or C++, this is like include. This is using, and let's say we need my Microsoft Spot hardware. Okay, and I'm gonna also need system threading because I'm gonna do sleep on my main thread. So when I blink an LED, I need some delay. So I'm gonna add threading, and I also need to use the FEZ pin names. So it's in ghi-electronics.netmf.fez. Good. This is it. Now let's make an LED object. So it's gonna be output board, and let's name it an LED. And I'm gonna make a new object, and we would need to cast this, and this will be FEZ pin. See how Visual Studio gets you everything right here. You don't have to think or try to remember where everything is. So FEZ pin, that it's a digital pin, and then from the list here I need LED. These are the other IOs on FEZ Domino. So LED, and I need the pin, and I need the initial state. So the initial state will make it true, so it's gonna be on. That doesn't matter because we are gonna blink it. So over here I need to blink it, which means I need an infinite loop. So while true. So what do I need? Turn the LED on. LED, right? There's true and false here. True is on, false is off. So true. And then thread, sleep, and we're gonna sleep, let's say for 300 milliseconds. And then LED, right, false, and we want to sleep again. So thread, sleep, and 300. And let's run it. So this is my board. The LED is right here. It's loading it's going to show me the assemblies it's loading on Power Up. Here we go. And the LED is blinking. Thank you.